Life is busy. Our days are filled with fast-paced schedules and quick fixes. But to get the best out of life, Nutrilite is building a pure, powerful connection to nature. As the pioneers of plant-based phytonutrients, with over 80 years of innovation in nutritional science, we search the globe for the finest nutrient-rich botanicals, then grow many of them on our own sustainable farms. Through unique farming methods, preserving the potency of each precious nutrient, controlling every process from seed to finished supplement. Our ongoing scientific innovations will bring more phytonutrient color to our diets. And because of you, Nutrilite is now the world's #1 selling brand of vitamins and dietary supplements. By connecting to better nutrition naturally, we can continue to do what's best, not just for ourselves, but also to inspire others to achieve optimal well-being. Nutrilite, in harmony with nature and yourself.